Hey guys, snack time. Got Nora here, the star. There's Buddy. What do you want, Nora? You want some snack? Might get a swipe here. Oh, maybe not. Alright, let me get some snacks for these guys. Want a snack? Let's cut loose some snacks. What's the matter, Nora? You're so cute. Look at that little face. There's Frankie over there. Come here, Frankie. There we go. Snack. You like snack. Come on, Frankie. Nope, she don't want snack. She must have got out. She goes downstairs. She's got the door here. Sometimes she doesn't like to use it. What's the matter, bud? Here you go. Come on. What's the matter? There you go. All right, that's evening snack for the two. Queen Nora, Big Buddy. He's such a nice boy. But this is better than it was 2 years ago. So thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow morning. And everybody have a good evening. All right, take care, guys. All right, bye.